Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And I know we're really all thinking about the holidays and things like that, but I thought there's two more things I wanted to share with you this month that I wanted to make sure you had a chance to get. So these are things you might already have, but you know what? You might not. And one of them you kind of need. I'm just saying. Okay, are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. This was a limited edition item we had on our website. I think it was like 7 or 8 years ago. But it is an A2, not to be confused with A1, A2 heart flip it. Now, I wasn't really planning on releasing this one this year, but I had so many people request it when they had the A1 heart. They're like, I love the A1 heart, but I really, really want the A2 also. Well, guess what? I brought it out for you because I kind of love it too, and I want to be able to use it again. So whenever it's out of stock, I don't use items, so I don't want to upset anybody. So now I can start using it again. So it's the A2 Flip It, and I have samples to show you. I'm going to show you in just a second. We're also releasing, just in case you want it, we're also releasing cute little With Love. Now I know it doesn't look like much here, but it is a die word set that came in one of our kits and it says With Love. So it's really cute. And I just realized we're releasing 3 items, re-releasing. This was from our April 2021 kit. So if you were in the kit club, you might already have it, check. But a lot of you missed it and it's so cute. It is our bird stamp and die set that came in the kit. So you get the little birdie dies and you also get the stamp set, but this is the one why, this stamp alone is why you need it. It says, there's always a reason to smile. There's always a reason to smile, and look at how beautiful that is. I absolutely love it, and you know what? Those cute little birdies you could use literally everywhere, right? And it comes with the dies that match the birdies. So check those out. Now, let's look at our fun little heartful flip-its. Love You. Open it up, that little heart layers on there, so cute. Ooh, and our Conversation Candy Heart stencils on the side, love it. Here's another cute one using our club sets, love it, love. Open it up. Cheryl made this one. I can tell because it has 3D ink. Cheryl is our 3D ink girl. I love it. But look how beautiful that is. Oh, you could even decorate the back. So fun. Okay, my friends, 15% off if you're a club member, or if you're a gold or diamond member, you're getting 20%. Are you kidding me? That's so awesome. Okay, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.